The SG107 MAX2 GPS drone is a versatile and intelligent quadcopter designed for both new and experienced pilots. With its advanced features and robust design, it provides an excellent platform for capturing stunning aerial photos and videos. This drone offers a blend of safety, precision, and performance, making it a standout option in its category. Precision and performance. The SG107 MAX2 is equipped with a 2-axis PTZ gimbal, which ensures your 4K footage is incredibly smooth and stable, even during dynamic flight maneuvers. This mechanical stabilization, combined with a 5G Wi-Fi image transmission system, provides a clear and low-latency real-time view from the drone's perspective. The powerful brushless motors ensure a strong and efficient flight, allowing for a remarkable flight time of up to 28 minutes on a single charge. With a control distance of up to 1,200 meters, you have the freedom to explore and capture from a wide range. Intelligent flight and safety features. This drone is packed with intelligent features that make flying easy and safe. The GPS system enables features like one-click return, low-power return, and no-signal return, ensuring the drone always comes back to you. The intelligent obstacle avoidance system adds a crucial layer of safety, automatically helping the drone steer clear of obstacles in its path. For creative shots, the GPS intelligent tracking and image follow functions allow the drone to autonomously track a subject, while the gesture shooting recognition lets you take photos and videos with simple hand movements. User-friendly and versatile. The SG107 MAX2 is designed with the user in mind. Its compact, foldable body makes it highly portable, allowing you to easily carry it on your next adventure. The HFun Plus APP, compatible with both iOS and Android, offers a simple interface for controlling the drone and accessing its advanced features. You can plan a multi-point flight path, perform fixed-point surround shots, and even edit your footage with built-in MV functions, filters, and background music. This comprehensive set of features makes the SG107 MAX2 a powerful and fun tool for any aspiring or professional aerial photographer. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more drone reviews, tips, and tutorials.